Hello, assalamualaikum. Here on my cutting board today, I have some Swiss chard, white radish, and some onion, ginger, garlic, and tomato. So we are going to make Swiss chard today, and we are going to pair it with the mooli or white radish. I'm going to clean the Swiss chard. I don't want any dirt stuff in it because usually the chard has a lot of dust in the folds. These are just leaves, so I'm just going to wash it. And usually I will make the chard with the potatoes, but today I'm replacing it with mooli because when you're diabetic or you're on a diet, you try to avoid potatoes and that kind of stuff. So just wash it. This one is pretty clean, so we don't need washing that much. And when I get my chard or my spinach or kale from the farm, I like to use it right away because I don't want to lose the freshness. See how beautiful it is? It tastes like spinach, but a little more earthy taste, and I love that. As for the radish, the white radish is quite common in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, all Desi families. They are very familiar with the moolis. So anytime I get my hands on some, I really like to enjoy it. Okay. Peel it like you peel the carrots, just like that. In the moolies, they are a little bit on the spicy side. The real moolies, not the, I don't know how to say it, but they have a little bit of spicy taste. So I chopped the rainbow chard, and I'm going to cut the mooli, the white radish, into smaller pieces. Not too small, not too big. Just good enough for bite size. Done. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go with the onions and the curry leaves first. And please pardon my neighbors, they're just a little bit too loud. Alright, Just going to make it a little soft and a little brown, not too much. Going to add the ginger, garlic, and the peppers. This is hot pepper, so habanero. I'm going to let it cook in the base. Going to let everything brown. Not too dark, just slightly brown. And then I will add the radish. Those curry pata, the curry leaves are very fragrant, that's why I like them. This is soften everything as well. The white radish and curry, you can order them from Fresh or any other Indian grocery, you can find them. So I'm going to cook the radish a little bit. Let's cover the radish for a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, adding the tomatoes and also adding the chard. Going to add some cumin. Cumin is already toasted, so I don't need to bother. Half a teaspoon of sumac, because it has a little bit of tarty flavor. 1/4 teaspoon of black or white pepper. Let's cover it for another 10 minutes. Add some salt, and salt or not is always up to the person who has to eat the food. You want salt, add it. You don't want, leave it out. You can see the little bubbles coming up. That's the liquids from the chard and from the radish. So we don't need to add water to this now. Let's see how it's doing. Almost done. You could have it with side of rice, quinoa, roti, paratha, brown rice, and it smells good. Very good. I love the taste of spinach. I love the taste of chard, and the mooli also good. Or you can do what I'm going to do. Slice a piece of bread, toast it or not. Just there you go. My lunch is ready. And I hope you like my recipe. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know how I'm doing. Thank you very much. Bismillah. It's time for me to eat now. Bye.